Eva Trade.
Welcome to the Eva Trade channel. In this video I will show you how to grow a $300 deposit using two powerful technical analysis tools, RSI and MACD indicators. We will examine in detail how these indicators can help us make buying or selling decisions. Whether you are a novice or an experienced trader, this information will be available for anyone looking to improve their trading strategies. I will execute several trades to demonstrate the effectiveness of our strategy and provide practical tips. Get ready as we have a lot of interesting and useful content ahead. Before we start, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I hold daily trading sessions. You will also find plenty of useful information there that will be interesting for both beginners and experienced traders. Don't miss the chance to improve your skills. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to my channel. As I mentioned earlier, today we will be growing a $300 deposit. I choose a currency pair with a high percentage of profitability. Today it will be the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar pair with profitability of 98%. I will also switch to TradingView and select this currency pair there. I already have the RSI and MACD indicators enabled. On this chart we see the RSI indicator which recently crossed the 50 level from above, suggesting the beginning of a downward movement. The MACD indicator also confirms this movement. The MACD line crossed the signal line from above and the histogram is starting to decrease. Increasing trading volumes on the recent candles confirm high market participant interest in selling this currency pair. These factors together indicate a high probability of further price decline, making entering a short trade justified and logical. This is an example of how to effectively use the RSI and MACD indicators for making trading decisions. I switch to pocket option and open a short trade with $300 for 1 minute. The trade was successful. I look for another good entry point and switch back to TradingView. The RSI is also around the 50 level, indicating a neutral market state, but also showing that the recent movement was downward. It's important to note that the 50 level was recently crossed from above, suggesting the beginning of a downward movement. The MACD line, marked in blue on the chart, remains below the orange signal line, which is a bearish signal. Although the gap between the lines is small, the current position indicates a weak upward trend and a possible continuation of the downward movement. We see moderate trading volumes without a clear surge in activity. However, previous candles show increasing volume during the downward movement, confirming seller pressure. Based on this indicator's reading, I switch to pocket option and open a short trade with $567. The trade was successful and we take our profit of $1,000. I switch back to TradingView to find another good market entry point. The RSI is below the 50 level, indicating a neutral market state with slight seller pressure. The recent crossing of the 50 level from above confirms the beginning of a downward movement as mentioned earlier. The MACD line remains below the signal line and the histogram continues to show negative values, confirming the bearish signal. Increasing volumes on bearish candles support the continuation of the downward movement scenario. All these factors together create favorable conditions for opening another short trade. I switch to pocket option and open another short trade for 1 minute with $1,000. The trade was successful, earning me $890 since the yield of this currency pair is 89%. I return to TradingView for further analysis. Again, we see favorable conditions for opening a short trade using the RSI and MACD indicators. The RSI is slightly below 50, indicating a continuation of the downward trend. The MACD line remains below the signal line and the histogram shows negative values, confirming the increased bearish pressure. Stable trading volumes on bearish candles also support this scenario. All these factors together create favorable conditions for opening another short trade. I switch to pocket option and open another short trade with $1,000. The trade closed at break-even, meaning I did not lose any money, but I also did not earn any. In such situations, I see this as a signal to stop. Considering the high risks and aiming to preserve the balance, I decide to stop growing the deposit at this stage. This experience has shown me the importance of knowing when to stop and avoid significant losses. Trading is not just about earning but also about preserving capital. Therefore, I decided to maintain the balance and stop trading for today. Dear friends, summing up today's trading, I would like to note that I opened 4 trades today, of which 3 ended in profit and 1 closed at break-even. Thanks to this successful session, I managed to grow the deposit from $300 to almost $2,000. This is an excellent result that confirms the effectiveness of our strategies. Even in conditions of high volatility and market uncertainty, the right approach and the use of reliable tools can lead to significant results. I hope today's session was useful and inspiring for you. Remember that the key to success in trading is continuous learning, discipline, and knowing when to stop. Thank you for your attention and support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. This was Eva. See you next time and successful trading. Goodbye.